Hi everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle, a two stars Sudoku, not in today's newspaper, no, actually in the day before yesterday's newspaper on Saturday. No, because in the Saturday newspaper, April the 16th, the weekend edition, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So and today it's Easter Monday. We have no newspaper on Easter Monday, so I've decided to solve the edition of last week. Last week, Monday, April the 11th, 2022, I've already solved one puzzle. There are two puzzles left: the Sudoku with 2 stars and the tectonic. And the letter Sudoku I have converted into one with numbers. Yes, you can also convert a letter Sudoku into numbers. How? Just watch the video, the last video I have done. Anyway, it's time for the 2 stars Sudoku, and the 2 stars Sudoku will be number 4424. 4424. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, let me check, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 26 printed digits. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? How about the number? Let me see. 5. Well. 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing number in the second row is the number 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We see there another 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. All right. Then. How about the 4 in this column, the 4 in the last column? So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. All right. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then. How about? I'm scanning. 3. Wait, the 1 and the 7, 8. No. 3, the 6 and the 9. I'm thinking. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7, should be here. Then we have a pair. We have a 3 and a 9 in this row, a 3 and a 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9. It goes there. Okay. And now, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row. So no 1 and 2 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, and look, we have 5 and 8 in this column, so no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 are missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And 1, 2. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Alright. Okay. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Yeah. Then. 4. Thinking. 5, 9, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, and look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, and look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 4, 4. No. We have a 4 here. 4, 8. 6, 9, 8. Here. 2 should be here. Okay. 1. Oh, yeah. In this column, one of the missing number is the 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. There 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, or there. We see another 1 there, no 1 there. Here also the 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6. 6. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. I think the 7 should be here. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. Well, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Here also a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. So now we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then. Let me see. Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. I'm thinking. Okay. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 3rd row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. And 1 box left in this column for the numbers. 1 for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left. Oh wait. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. Alright. I'm collecting those numbers for more than 8 weeks. After 10 weeks I will stop and I will share you the data. We have here the 1, the 5, and the 3, 1, 5, and the 3, 6, 3, and a 2, 6, 3, and a 2, and a 7, 8, and a 1, 7, 8, and a 1. 1 pair, 2 pairs. The 1 is a pair, the 3 is a pair, 2 pairs. All right, great. Sudoku with 2 stars. Yes. Thank you again. And yeah, we will meet again later on with the last puzzle, Tectonic with 1 star. And maybe if I have spare time, I will do a Samurai Sudoku, aka a quintuplet with 5 Sudokus merged into a one big Sudoku, Samurai. Alright, see you then, bye bye for now.